Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I remove, clean, and reinstall my lace. So keep on watching. So this is how my frontal was looking before. It was definitely time for me to remove and wash my hair. One thing about having blonde hair, it's such a high maintenance because if makeup gets on it, you're going to have to wash your hair a lot. So I'm just going to put my hair up in a bun or a ponytail, and I'm going to start off by using 70% rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to put that on a paper towel and just rub that against my lace while it loosens and remove it basically. You of course want to be very gentle when removing your lace. One thing I learned after is to use hair oil to remove your lace instead of rubbing alcohol. So if you're going to do this, use hair oil. It's going to be so much easier for you guys. Next step is to clean our lace. This is basically how my lace was looking like before, and I just brushed my hair back and pinned it so the hair is not in my way while I'm doing this process. So once again, we're going to be using 70% alcohol or whatever alcohol you guys have. We're also going to be using a rag, and we're just going to put the alcohol on the rag and gently rub the rag against the lace to remove the glue. And as you guys can see here, I have like a few glue on the hair. I just grabbed the comb and just gently combed the glue out the hair and continue the process throughout the whole lace. And this is how everything turned out. After this step, I basically just went to go wash the entire wig just to get the makeup off. Now we're getting to the install. So this is how the wig is looking like after a wash, and you guys can tell there's absolutely no residue glue on my lace, and it's ready to be installed again. This is the wig cap that I'm using. I basically just got this at a beauty supply store, so you guys can get a wig cap at any beauty supply store. And I'm just going to put that on my head. So then I'm then going to grab my Got2b freeze spray and just spray that around my forehead. I'm going to start little by little, starting with the upper part of my forehead and then blow dry it, and then start with my sides and then blow dry. So once the glue is completely dry, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that thick band that you see, and I'm also going to cut my ears out. And then using a little amount of my foundation, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that onto the front of my cap. And you're basically doing this step because it helps your lace look more natural. So right here, I'm just going to see how everything is going to look if I lay it down, and if I need to cut any pieces, I will do so. So we're going to go ahead and put one layer of the Ghost Bond glue. Again, I do this part in section. You guys can do it however you want to do it, but I think this way works best with me. So I'm just going to put on one layer of glue down on my forehead, blow dry it, and then repeat. I think I did this step 3 times. And of course, you want to make sure your glue is clear before you go ahead and apply your lace, because if it's wet, it's going to be white and you're going to see that through your lace. So this is how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got it.